As you know, drones are a great tool for making photos and videos. So people are finding more ways to use them. Hi friends, welcome to my vlog, and today we'll be talking about photogrammetry. So basically you can use any camera to take photos and convert them into 3D objects. The advantage with drones is that they have these instruments like GPS and other sensors that can record the longitude, latitude and the altitude of the photos and add them to the metadata of the photos. So the 3D making software can easily convert these photos into a 3D model. So first we will be taking 360-degree photos of the building or the object that you want to capture using the drone from every angle. So you're going to take photos from every angle and upload them to your system, and the server of the website will be converting these photos into a 3D object. So apps like Drone Deploy have special features that can automatically program your drone to fly around 360 degrees and take photos from all angles, and later, after taking all the photos, you can upload them to their website so the servers can process these photos and convert them to a 3D model. So today we'll be converting this water tank into a 3D model. So what we're going to do is first fly the drone around we are not going to use this drone, we are going to use a smaller drone because it's easier to carry. So we are going to use a Phantom 3 Pro to fly around the water tank and capture 360-degree photos from all the angles. So we're going to capture photos from the top and from the sides and every angle that there is, and we are going to upload them to their servers. So this is what we did. So we took some budget photos of this building and we converted that into a 3D model. So we'll be discussing more features of drone deploy in the upcoming videos, and we'll be discussing more ways that you can use our drone. So I hope you liked our video, and so you are interested in more videos like this. Please let me know in the comments below, and we'll be uploading more videos in the future. So stay tuned, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day. Hit the like if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have an awesome day.